So here's interesting app called TypeAI, keyboard extension. It's built by TypeAI developer, which also built some like chat with Ask AI, one of the most popular, ChatGPT third-party apps. Before there was like official ChatGPT app, and now this is just like keyboard extension. It's basically ultimate writing assistant that can take your writing to the next level. Powered by ChatGPT API, Type AI is a keyboard extension app that works seamlessly on any platform or app on your phone. With Type AI, you no longer have to worry about typos, grammar mistakes, or finding the right words to express yourself. So what it can do is just grammar and spelling check, wording recommendation, translation, let AI complete your messages, paraphrasing, and all of that. So I think this is actually an awesome idea. Like I'm here on iPhone 14 Pro, and still like the suggestion when you type in some messages, type in YouTube video titles, it's not that good yet. Like very often it doesn't know like the very common words. It just keeps replacing my words when I just type them in a browser, whatever. So I think this is actually one of the core features of iOS, which can definitely be better. So let's see if ChatGPT can solve that. So here you can see Ask AI. You can see if there is there is a 3 days free trial. There is also lifetime $40, 3 day free trial, and then $5 per week. But let's just try it with some freemium version, and then how to set up keyboard. Let's just install it like that. Oops, that's something different. Wait, I need to search for keyboards, right? So keyboard, and then keyboards, add new keyboard, Type AI. Okay, so that's basically how you can add it. And then long press on and select Type AI. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So for example, if here I just long press and then I can select Type AI, and then you're just using that. So yeah, something like that. It feels, oh wait. All right, so sorry guys, I was just using standard keyboard, but it keeps. Then you can also ask AI. Then you can change tone of the message. Continue text reply, find synonyms. Then you can change language. Then you can see different outputs, find synonyms. That's what you can do, and it works not only in this app. You can use it in any messenger app, WhatsApp, whatever. So yeah, that's basically the idea, how you can get started and how you can test it out. There is some free option, and then if you want to upgrade again, you can just enable it like that. If you don't like this keyboard, at some point you can just go here, tap edit, and remove this keyboard from your keyboard in the settings. So that's what it is. Give it a try. So yeah.